Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to search for schools in the US, specifically schools which do not require you to submit essays, test scores, or even recommendation letters. So get your computers and phones ready and let's get started. As always, the first thing we are going to do is go to Google and type in common app. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and then we are going to click on the first link here to get to the website. So this is how it looks like. When you get here, they are going to ask you to create an account. So you click this and then it's going to give you a form to create an account. When you click this, you're going to choose first year. You click on first year since you're a new student. If you're a transfer student, you click on transfer student. Transfer students is for students who are in other institutions and are trying to transfer and continue education in this institution. So you can choose that and fill this form and then you create your account. I already have an account, so let's just use mine and start searching. This is my dashboard. So the first thing we do is go to college search. We have a filter here, so let's come down. Okay, fine. Now let's use this filter to search for our schools. The first thing they are asking you to choose is the country, so US. Okay. And the next thing is the state. Now, if you have a state in mind you want to school in, you can, or several states, you can choose more than one option. If you have no state in mind and you are okay with whichever state you get, you can just leave it. Distance from, we are just going to leave this one is not really important. The next thing is the term. Which term do you want to start school? Is it fall semester, spring semester? 2025, of course. So let's go for fall. Then this is deadline. We are not going to do any deadlines. If you think you have a deadline for the schools you want, you can just put it in, but we are not going to do anything there. Let's go here. Yeah. So it says no fee for international applicants. This is application fees. You are going to click that because you are looking for schools with free application too. And then writing requirements. Do not require common app personal essay. Now, this website also accepts application on behalf of schools, some universities in US. So they sometimes require you to write essays. So we are going to click do not require and then do not require additional college specific essays. Yes, the next thing is standardized test. We are going to click never require schools which do not require standardized test, and then the flexible schools which give you the option to choose to submit standardized test. Okay, then the last thing is letter of recommendation. We are going to click not required. Okay, so we are going to show our schools. Now we have 157 schools. So when you get this, you go through the schools and then you choose which ones you would want. So let's click one of the schools and see how it looks like here. Okay, so they give you more information about their deadline. So this is the deadline for the school we clicked on, and then other information. Let's check the application information. It says that yes, they don't charge application fee and standardized test is never required. Courses and grades are not used. Recommendation, school reports required. School report is your transcripts and all that. That is required. Your final report, that's also your certificate. Your final certificate is also required. Then teacher evaluation, it's optional. You can decide to submit it or not. So yeah, other evaluation is also optional. Everything is optional. So you have the choice to submit. So if you don't have it, you can just apply and it's not going to affect you. It's not going to affect your application. You can submit your application. So yeah, these are other informations. And then let's check writing requirements. Common app personal essay is optional. And then the college questions, there is no writing questions for this college. And then this college does not write does not use a writing supplement for any additional writing requirements. So it means that with this school, you are not submitting it, and you are just applying. So let's add this to our colleges and then go back. Okay, let's go back and look through this. You can keep adding. If you go through it and you think you like it, you can just click on it and then come here and add, or you can just add it, go through it first if you think you like it, and then you add it to your colleges. Now, after adding the schools to your colleges, you come to my colleges. They are going to be here. The schools you selected are going to be here. So you click on this, and then you're going to get all the information here again, so that anytime you log into this account, you'll have the schools you selected here, so you can just go through it. Now, I'm not saying you have to apply on this website, because this is just giving you the schools you think you can apply. You can just make a list in a book somewhere, so that you have access to it anytime you want to check the schools you have selected. This is just going to give you more information about schools you can apply to. So after you've done all this, you can come here and click college website. Okay, this is taking us to the school's actual website for you to choose your programs. Remember that this website just gives you schools and the requirements. It doesn't give you the programs that are there. So you are going to come to the school's website, and then you can go through their website to look for any school that, so you can come to academics and then academic programs, and you start looking for your programs. So this is what you do. So if you're an undergraduate, you look. If you are a graduate student, so you search for your schools here. So let's go back. Now I'm going to say this. If you think you don't have the things they are asking for, and that is why you are looking for these schools, you are going to have difficulty getting them, and that's why you're looking for schools which do not require you to submit them, that is fine. But if you are not going to have any difficulty getting them, I would advise that you add them to your application. It gives a little value to application, and then it increases your chances of getting an admission. So if you think you'll be able to get it with ease, you should surely add it. But if you want, that's fine. You can just go ahead and apply, and it's fine. Okay, so this is it. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe to help keep my channel going. Thank you. Bye.